everyone, I'm Alex and today we're going to talk about UBeesize 10-inch selfie ring lamp with tripod. As you can see, the package includes the 10-inch ring light, the tripod and accessories. So first thing we need to do is attach the ring light to the tripod. Controlling this knob, you can adjust the angle of the ring light. If you're using a phone, then you need the phone holder. So here we go. Next, we need to plug this charger right here and plug it into the power outlet, but mine's already plugged in. And the adapter that this lamp is using is actually 50% more efficient than any other USB powered models. So it's pretty simple to use. You have the turn on and turn off button right here, and then if you want to change the color of the light, you can press the button here right in the middle and you will get 3 different types of lights. So you have the white light, the natural light and the warm light. And the package also includes this remote controller, and you can use this controller. First you have to turn it on here on the side. You can use this controller to take pictures or videos when you're far away from your phone. So let me try this. Oh, really nice. So, does the ring lamp really make a difference? Well, if you want to get rid of the shadows on your face or just look prettier, it sure does. And I think this is the best thing on the market right now. So if you have a need for something like this, it's your chance to get it now.